Presenting the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Bluetooth communications capability, satellite radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, OnStar, power heated exterior mirrors, USB audio input port, latch child safety seat anchors, head curtain side impact airbags, and foldable midgate door. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.